Hello guys, and welcome to the user's guide of the JBL TUNE510 Bluetooth headphones. In this video we're going to explain to you how to set up and use these headphones in detail. And we are starting out with the pairing process to our smartphone. So in this example we're going to use here this iPhone X. In case you're looking for detailed instructions on how to pair these headphones to an Android phone or a Windows laptop, for example, then I suggest you check out my other videos here in the upper right corner. Okay, we start out by bringing the headphones into the Bluetooth pairing mode. When our headphones are still brand new, then all we have to do is press the power button for about 2 seconds to turn them on, and they will automatically go into the Bluetooth pairing mode. We can confirm this by taking a look at the LED right next to the power button. When this LED is blinking in blue, then the pairing mode is enabled. In case the headphones were used in the past, then we can enable the pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button for more than 5 seconds when we turn them on. For now we can put the headphones to the side and we're going to switch to our smartphone. Here we're going to switch to the settings menu where we find the Bluetooth options. First we make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and then the smartphone is going to search for our headphones and it's going to display them on the bottom of the list. So we're going to select now the JBL TUNE510, and this is going to pair the headphones to our smartphone, and we are ready to use them to listen to audio and to make phone calls. Now if you're wondering if you have to go through this pairing process every time you want to use the headphones, then the answer to that question is no. The next time you turn on the headphones, they're going to automatically reconnect to our smartphone as long as the Bluetooth option is still enabled on our phone. So now that we are ready to use our headphones, we're going to take a look at the button controls. On the right ear cup we find 3 buttons: the plus button, the minus button, and then one button in the center. With the center button we can pause and resume our audio playback. We can adjust the volume with the plus and minus buttons with a single short click. When we're listening to music or audiobooks, we can press and hold the plus button for more than 2 seconds in order to skip to the next track. When we do the same with the minus button, we're going to go to the previous track. We can also start voice assistants like Siri, Google Assist or Bixby by pressing the center button twice. When we have an incoming phone call, we can accept it by pressing the center button once. When we press and hold the button for more than 2 seconds, we're going to decline the call. And when we want to hang up, then we're going to press the center button once again. And during the phone call, we can mute and unmute the microphone by pressing and holding the buttons for more than 2 seconds. Now eventually we will have to recharge the battery of our headphones, and there are 3 ways to find out when it is time to do so. The first indicator is the jingle that you're eventually going to hear every couple of minutes inside the headphones while you're using them. Then the second indicator is the LED right next to the power button. When this starts blinking in red, that indicates that the battery level is low as well. The third option is to check the battery level on our smartphone. Most smartphones today are able to display the battery percentage of these headphones. When we want to recharge the battery, we're going to take a look at the top of the right ear cup. This is where we find the USB-C charging port, where we're going to connect our charging cable to. The other end of the cable we can connect, for example, to the charging cube of our smartphone. At this point, the LED next to the power button of our headphones should be constantly red. This indicates that the battery is being charged. A full charge takes about 2 hours, and you know that the battery is fully charged when the LED turns off. In case you're looking for more information in regards to charging, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner. If you ever want to clean or replace the Earpads, then we can really easy take them off by holding the ear cup with the one hand and then carefully pulling the earpad off to the side. When you're looking for replacement earpads online, then you probably won't find the original ones, but there are plenty aftermarket earpads available that have the exact same diameter as the original earpads, and those are going to fit onto these headphones just as well. When reinstalling the earpads, simply feed this rubber lip on the back side of the earpad into this little groove on the ear cup. And once we're going to rotate the earpad by 360 degrees, it's going to be installed within a couple of seconds. Okay, so this was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and in case you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.